Hi guys, wah la la la. So today I'm going to my friend's house tomorrow, so I will not be posting. I'm packing fidgets. So I already put one on my little bag. I have a little bag right here. Don't mind this. I have my pea popper on. Yeah, pea popper. Okay, that was good. So you already saw my pea popper. Let's get fidget packing. So first things first, marble mash. My green one, of course. I already picked one out. My acupressure ring. I love this thing. That goes in my secret pocket. Yes, I have a secret pocket in my bag. Then we're gonna pack this in. Then we're gonna go over here to where my fidget bin is and pack this. So I might be making a DIY fidget with this, even though it's a lollipop thing, like it had to push pop with 3 push things. This one got jammed, didn't it? Sorry, it's just so good. My blue one got jammed. Then I have this red one. I might make these things into fidgets because it's pretty fun to play with. But the blue one got jammed. There we go. I wonder why it was jammed. Is it sticky? Maybe I have to. Oh. Okay, that's it for candy. I just wanted to show you guys that. Then we're gonna pack this little snake I already tangled up because I knew I was gonna be doing this video. I'm gonna put it in my secret little pocket. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go grab my wacky track. I set it up for the video too. One second, my wacky track isn't fitting because I already have fidget toys in there. Let me just pack it in first. Okay, now we're gonna go with this. I packed my, wait, I know I wasn't packing. That. I packed my snake. Now I have to put this back in. Okay, my wacky track, my marble mesh, then my acupressure ring. I think that's what they're called, or sensory ring. No clue. Then my last fidget I'm probably going to be packing in here is this little thing, my bike chain. I'm not going to be packing my pop tube because it's loud and obnoxious, but I do like it. And I've packed my bag. Let me just close it. I'm excited to tell you guys, I think I already said this, but I bought some fidgets from Walmart that I'm going to be happy to unbox on Wednesday. But of course, we can't forget one thing. I'm not packing my monkey noodle. I have my zippy bracelet. I might not be putting this in my bag. I'm probably just gonna put it on when I'm going over. And I will record before we go and do a little thing before we go, and maybe I'll record us going outside, and if I get a hot spot, I'll record inside of us driving to my friend's house and just be doing fidget things. So it's hard to put on a bracelet with only 1 second. So bye. This was longer than I thought. Bye, guys. See you guys tomorrow, maybe. Sorry for posting at this time, but bye. I don't know if anyone's gonna watch this. Bye.